guys, it's Angie. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And for today's video, you guys, I want to share a recipe of one of my most favorite dishes ever, and that is chilaquiles. You guys, almost every person that I know loves chilaquiles, and every person that I've introduced chilaquiles to falls in love with them. Now, chilaquiles come in very different forms. Some people like to add chicken to them. Some people like to grill some steak and put it on the side. Some people like to fry some eggs and have them with their chilaquiles. They come in green salsas and red salsas, but no matter what, you guys, they are amazing. My recipe today is going to be a meatless option, therefore making it perfect for Lent or any day of the week where you guys want to have a meatless meal. So if you want to see how it is that I make my chilaquiles, stay tuned. Alright everyone, so here is what we're going to need to make the chilaquiles. We're going to need tortillas and cooking oil to make the tortilla chips for the chilaquiles. And for the salsa, I like to use 2 types of chiles and 2 types of tomato, which are the Roma tomatoes and the Tomatillos. And the chiles are the Jalapeños and the chiles de arbol, which are these here. I like to use about 3 Roma tomatoes, 4 Tomatillos, 3 Jalapeños, and about 7 or 8 of the chiles de arbol. And of course, you guys, this is all depending on what level of spice you like. You can always add more tomato or add less chiles if you don't want it so spicy. And what I like to do is go ahead and top my chilaquiles with some sour cream, the Mexican kind, and some queso cotija and some raw onion. Also, of course, you'll need salt to go ahead and give that salsa some little more flavor. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put the tomatoes and the chiles in a pot with water and put it on the stove so that they can cook. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting our tortillas into the little triangles for the tortilla chips so that we can make our chilaquiles. And this is very, very simple. You basically just, well, I just go half and then half again, and then I cut them in half again. So basically just make little triangles all the way around until you get the tortilla chip size that you want. And this is basically the size that I like. So just keep on doing this until you have all the tortillas that you want. Here I have about 20 tortillas, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them into little triangles like this so that we can make our chilaquiles. So now that we have all the tortillas cut and ready to get fried, we're gonna go ahead and add oil to our pan here, and heat up the oil so that we can start making our tortilla chips. Alright guys, so our tortilla chips are done. So now we just have to wait for the chiles and the tomatoes to finish cooking. We'll blend them and we'll put all this together. Alright guys, so the chiles and the tomates have cooked, and I already add them to the blender along with a tablespoon of water from where the chiles and the tomatoes cooked in. I also already added some salt, and now we're gonna blend this to make our chilaquiles. Alright guys. So how I like to do this is I like to go ahead and just finish preparing the chilaquiles in the same pot where I make the tortilla chips in. But what I like to do is I like to add the salsa first to the skillet. Of course, all the oil that was used is already out. I like to add the salsa, and then we add the tortilla chips. At low heat, I'm going to cover the chilaquiles for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just let them soak in the salsa and get all that delicious flavor. I like my chilaquiles, you guys, a little crispy. I don't like them soggy, so that's why I'm gonna just leave them for 15 minutes covered at very low heat. Alright everyone, so our chilaquiles are ready to be devoured by hungry people. I went ahead and served some here and already added Cotija cheese, Mexican sour cream, and raw white onion. And we're ready to go ahead and have our dinner. Yes, we're gonna have them for dinner today. We're having breakfast for dinner. We love to have that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, you guys. Take care, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.